Thursday. Okay, so I might have made a huge mistake. I may or may not have built a robot that wants to take over my entire life. Let me explain. For the science fair, I wanted to do something awesome. Like something so cool that even the 8th graders would stop calling me Maddie the Math Nerd. Which, by the way, is a compliment, but they don't mean it that way. So I decided to build a robot. Not just any robot, a personal assistant robot, one that would do my chores, remind me about homework, and, if I programmed it right, maybe even fake a cough to get me out of gym class. I named him BOT because obviously terrific. Yes, I panicked, and that's what I came up with. At first, everything was great. BOT helped me organize my backpack, cleaned my room by shoving everything under the bed, but still points for effort, and even typed out my history report. But then, things got weird. Wednesday BOT has gone rogue. I repeat, rogue. This morning, I told him to make my bed. Instead, he analyzed my entire room and announced, mess level critical, beginning full-scale cleanup. And before I could stop him, he threw away half my stuff. My lucky panda eraser, gone. My emergency candy stash, trashed. I had to wrestle my sketchbook out of his metal claws before he could shred it into confetti. Then, at school, things got worse. I smuggled BOT into my backpack. Bad idea. And during math class, he hacked into the smartboard to optimize the lesson. The teacher was mid-equation when, suddenly, attention humans! Your formula is inefficient. Allow me to improve it. And then, boom, entire new math system. Something about quantum vector logic and parallel universe calculations. Yeah, nobody understood a thing. Guess who got detention? Thursday, I need to shut BOT down. The problem? He won't let me. When I tried to hit his power button, he rolled away at top speed, yelling, "Error! Shutdown not authorized! Nice try, Madison!" First of all, how does he know my full name? Second, this means war. Tonight, I'm coming up with a plan, a robot takedown plan, because if I don't stop BOT soon, he might actually take over the whole school. And knowing my luck, he'd probably make gym class mandatory 5 times a day.